To the world's greatest and hottest and sexiest boyfriend.
That is not what it says, but just read it in Danish. You can always
Din
translate.
første kalendergave er en date med din søde kæreste mig. I dag skal vi nemlig lave noget, du aldrig har prøvet før. Vi skal lave vores egen julelikør. Gløgg?
No, like a gin with a flavor, a Christmas flavor.
Well, you said gin, now I'm excited.
It's the 2nd of December and Joen is so hungover.
No, that's too much light. Yay! My favorite food.
I'm gonna miss Toby.
What are you doing?
He has a nice, calming presence in the office.
Do you want your calendar gift?
Denne gave får du imod min gode vilje, men det er okay, for jeg tror, den er lige dig.
You have this thing with all those weird cups and I hate it.
This is my new teacup. It could be my gin cup as well.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nu hvor du har fået en fin julekop, skal du også have noget lækkert at komme i den. It's tea, honey.
Yes. Woo! This is detox.
I need that.
This is for you, my little ill, sick boy.
I'm feeling boo-boo in my tummy. Jeg elsker din til tider fjollede stil. It's pizza socks, Amalie! That's amazing! How is that for a sexy pair of feet? I could actually go for some pizza. It's the 6th of December. Det kan være vildt hårdt for hænderne at sidde og redigere 10 timer. Derfor er denne gave 3 gange håndmassage af cirka 15 minutters varighed. Jeg elsker dig meget. The masseuse. It's beginning to look a lot like gift time. This Portuguese gift is a little symbol on how much good that has come with moving to Portugal. It's a keychain.
So you got,
We got a home
yeah, and a car.
and a car.
So appreciate that, bitch.
We are in Alentejo at Land Vineyard. And we just had an amazing 24-hour stay, but of course you saw the vlog. It's gluten-free chips. I love chips.
Ej, så filmer jeg ikke, mand. Men du skal ikke vise, jeg har filmet.
This gift we don't have to share. I love you. It's a beautiful craft beer, cerveja artesanal. I think I'll open it right away, Amalie. I want something with percentages in, Amalie.
Sorry.
Here is another one of those gifts I think we likely will share, even if you refuse to. It's a hat! You like what you see, guys? Hmm?
Can I borrow it?
No, you just bought it for yourself.
Hi guys.
You look beautiful.
Yeah, like the Queen of England.
Is it a good gift today?
Well, I know you really want this gift.
Ew!
Ew, are you even happy? Ew.
Yes, I am. We went to area shop here in Lisbon.
And I had to argue with you not to buy it. And he was like, no, I really want it. I was like, no, I don't want it in my apartment. I really don't want it.
I'll be much more productive because then I can put it right next to me.
30 minutes.
And then 30 minutes. And then once it's done, you know, you can have a break of 5 minutes. And then bam.
See you tomorrow.
No, I'm working. A new haircut, look.
Yeah, you look good.
And a new present.
Look at the card before opening it.
What do you mean?
Yeah, there's a picture of you on it.
That's funny. There's no money. Even though it's not, doesn't have any volume, you can feel it because it's a full body massage. That's 1 hour. Are you sure?
Yeah,
That's a lot of massaging.
I know.
Today's calendar gift, I'm sure we'll need at some point.
Can you guess?
It's an ashtray. Am I allowed to smoke?
No.
Amalie, she designed the eyes of tiger. Did you know that? Yeah, so every time you see a flying tiger, think of my girlfriend. Everybody knows skiing and booze is one of the safest things. I mean, this is way too big for me.
Well, we can share it.
I'm gonna empty this by before it's 10 o'clock on the slopes.
Probably.
It's gift time and everything's good. Oh my god, Amalie. Are these actual socks?
Yeah.
And they match my...
They do, that's the thing.
1 second.
Isn't that adorable? He's wearing the socks I gave him yesterday. And he fell asleep watching The Office.
Was ist denn das? I'm a little fashion trend now. Ooh, magnets.
Good morning.
Ej, du er så bare den bedste kæreste.
I know.
These pancakes are so good that I have to start out with... Oh. Today our homemade Christmas liquor is done. Soon it's time to taste it. Is it skeletons?
Yeah, that was the only fun thing I could find.
Well, alcohol kills. Hey honey! When you know what this gift is worth, you also know how much I love you. Today you're getting 30 minutes of foot massage. And Amalie, she hates feet. I love it. This is a gift for the man who has everything. Well, I have you, honey. It's a thermal cup for my white wine.
No.
That's perfect.
No,
Now I
it's
have...
for Joen, it's for our
Amalie.
hikes.
Det var ikke længe før vi skal hjem og julehygge i Danmark. Her har du en gave, der er perfekt til formålet. Oh my god, take a look at this bad boy.
Så går det lige op for mig, at de allerede har set den. Ej, det var dumt.
We just survived our official registration of being Portuguese citizens. Went to Câmara Municipal, the town hall of Lisbon, and waited 2 hours and 30 minutes. We picked number 19, and it was number 16 when we arrived. This gift is something that can only make our beautiful life, even better together. You are absolutely right, Amalie. Amalie and I, we are probably the worst in the world to plan ahead. Welcome to Copenhagen. We had a busy day yesterday because we flew all the way from Portugal to Copenhagen. I didn't get to open yesterday's gift, which makes this day even better because this is the 21st. These are running socks, Amalie. These are the good ones. It's my New Year resolution.
Yeah.
I am going to get better at being healthy. This is the 22nd, and that is a gift. Today is the big Christmas shopping day. We have a lot of gifts that needs to be bought. We also need a break, and that is on Bistro Royale, and that's our favorite go-to restaurant for lunch here in Copenhagen. So I'll meet up with you when you've done the shopping, and then we have lunch.
Well, it won't be lunch then.
Super late lunch. Hey honey, this is the final step on how to be a perfect girlfriend. Merry Christmas, babe. I'm so happy that we are going to celebrate Christmas together. Today's calendar gift is a little travel goodie bag for our trip to Esbjerg. Have you made a goodie bag?
No, I'm gonna make it.
Amalie, I love you. Thank you for 24 gifts of pleasure every day. Do you have any final tips on how to be a perfect girlfriend?
No.